After years of rumors, Toyota has finally confirmed the rear-wheel drive coupe will get a manual gearbox. The manual transmission is labeled as being an all-new, tailor-made box, which suggests it's not borrowed from BMW. That's not all too surprising since M40i performance cars don't come with manual transmissions. Toyota also reveals the car's rear end where the Supra lettering is finished in red. The striking logo will be reserved for the manual gearbox cars only. Additional details will be disclosed in the coming weeks, and in the meantime, the company ends its brief press release with the Save the Manual hashtag. We believe the world premiere is scheduled to take place on April 28 when the Gazoo Racing Supra with a manual transmission will be revealed.